Hundreds of millions of dollars of school funding is on the line as the Kansas Supreme Court gets ready to hear arguments in the state's school funding lawsuit. KSNT News reporter James Ryan has more on the case and what parents are hoping to see moving forward.
In less than 2 weeks, attorneys will submit their first arguments to the Kansas Supreme Court for and against the state's school funding plan. With nearly $300 million or more expected to go into public schools, some parents are wondering what they can expect next year. As these kids swing away this summer, major decisions are being made about their schools.
I don't want class sizes to increase, and I want them to keep teachers that are very qualified.
The Kansas Supreme Court is expected to decide next month whether $293 million is enough money to fix Kansas public schools.
I think the money needs to be redistributed evenly throughout all of the schools in the area. Some schools tend to get more money than others, especially in public education.
Justices could decide that the state is not spending enough money or not spending it evenly. Either way, schools don't know what to expect next year. Not a good situation 2 months away from enrollment.
Most school leaders are interested, in just finding out. We want an answer in time to know how to plan.
But some parents are already planning their school's future. Carrie Cayley, a former music teacher, said she'd like to see more money going to the arts.
Some districts in Topeka, we've had some positions get cut, so the other music teachers have to teach more students.
Cayley says arts funding is one of the first things to get cut when schools are strapped for cash. Yet it can be an important component to child development and self-worth.
For some students, they're not going to be in athletics, and that is the thing that really drives them. And it's also impacts test scores. Students in music have higher test scores.
But whether more money means these kids will have a more arts-focused education is yet to be seen. A hearing won't be held on the school finance case until July 18th. If the court strikes down the law, it could be August before schools know what kind of money they're getting next year. Reporting from the Kansas Judicial Center, James Ryan, KSNT News.
And attorneys in the school funding case are expected to submit their first arguments by June 30th.